Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning September 27th to it's August 27th to September the 3rd. No, September 27th to October 3rd. I'm so sorry, I don't know what the day is. Anyways, I am using this Witch Vibes kit from PaperCandyArt, and I matched it with some rose gold sparkle foil from a Planner Pixie Co, and it's like some Halloween foil, and I really enjoyed this spread. And also as you can see, I struggled a lot doing my extender over there on Friday. I decided to colour block this week. This was the first time I ever colour blocked, and I loved it, and I kind of did it a lot for the rest of the year in this planner, and I kind of continued the trend of colour blocking and brought it into my 2022 planner when you eventually see that. But yeah, this is the first time I colour blocked, and I colour blocked the day as well as the icons as well, and the character stickers that I used in the day. I colour blocked that the best I could. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I was 18 weeks pregnant this week, and according to my sidebar stickers, which I never added on camera, sorry, and my baby was the size of a sweet potato, which is funny to think about looking at him now because he's so big. But anyways, do I have anything else to say? I don't really. I did have to pull in some extra stuff for the sidebar because I wanted to colour block the sidebar, and obviously the stuff included in the kit isn't enough for colour blocking the sidebar. I didn't have enough habit trackers, and I also never had enough glitter headers. As you saw, I have a book of leftovers which I had to look through to bring in. Okay, so I am ready for the day by day. Starting with Monday. At the top of Monday, sorry if you can hear the trucks outside, I used an eye mask sticker from the kit to use to mark being tired. So with PaperCandyArt kits, I usually use a lot of the like functional deco that is included because I really enjoy using them, in case you're wondering. So on the next thing I marked was having cramps with this like backache sticker from PlanWithAds, and then marked going to work with this child reading sticker from PlanWithAds to mark that since I work in a school. I then marked watching Bones with a TV icon from the foil bundle. I marked having a long day with like a really tired pregnant lady from Joy of Planning. I then marked doing my assignment with a iMac sticker from the kit and an assignment script from the GP Studio, which I really missed that shot. I then marked a YouTube binge with a Carly Plans TV and a YouTube binge script from Randy.Plans, and then I marked going to sleep early with a Boxing Cactus pajama girl. The patterns in this kit kind of, some of them, the colours didn't fully match, so it like threw me off a little bit. But anyways, moving on to Tuesday, I marked being really sleepy with a bed sticker from the kit. Then marked having some toast and some tea for breakfast with a teacup sticker from the kit. I then marked going to work with a Simply a Mess planner gal. All my work scripts are from the foil one I forgot to mention. I then marked a TA meeting because I'm a teaching assistant, if you didn't know, with a donut from the kit because the person leading the meeting brought in some snacks, which didn't really last long because then I was told I needed to go home and isolate because a kid I had been working close with had just tested positive for COVID, and especially because I was pregnant, they sent me home straight away. So I had used a house sticker from the kit to note having to go home to isolate. I used this sticker from Stick with a Planco of like a nurse doing a PCR test to note taking a PCR test. I did it myself, but this was just the sticker to match colour wise the best. I used a TV sticker from the kit to note watching Bones, and then a laptop sticker also from the kit to note a YouTube binge. On Wednesday, I used a pencil sticker from the kit to note having to cancel everything. So I had appointments and stuff and like observation schedules, I had to cancel it since I had to isolate. I then marked making some breakfast with a breakfast sticker from SBC. I marked sleeping in with a pillow and a sleeping script, both from the kit. I really love PaperCandyArt kits for that. I used another like computer icon from the kit and a YouTube binge script from Randy.plans to note another YouTube binge, and a TV sticker from the kit to note Bones binge. I marked calling my uni with a phone icon from the foil bundle. Then I marked creating my gift registry with the baby sticker from Kylie Plans, like a baby grow sticker from Kylie Plans. I also added another sticker that says create gift registry, but I don't think I marked it on camera. And then marked cuddling with my love with a love sticker from Once More with Love and a cuddle script from SBC, which I'm not sure if I put on while I was filming or not. Sorry for the background noise. My mum is downstairs and the washing machine is also on. So if you hear any noise, I apologise. And obviously I didn't put the script down on camera, but I did go back and fill in all my planner and add a script that I didn't have at the time. So I don't know what I put on while filming and what I didn't. So sorry about that. On to Thursday, I used a house sticker from Kylie Plans to note that I was still isolating. I used an alarm clock sticker from the foil bundle to note waking up early still, even though I wasn't working. Then used this nappy sticker from Kylie Plans to note sorting out baby stuff and like looking at stuff and adding stuff to the registry. I then used this local plan code gal binge watching TV to note binge watching more Bones. I marked a YouTube binge with a laptop icon from the foil bundle and a YouTube binge script from Randy.plans. I then marked a plan with me binge with a planner sticker from the kit and then a binge script also from the kit. And then I noted cuddles with my husband with a couple sticker from Joy Planning and a Johnson Cuddles or Johnson Snuggles custom script from Randy.plans. Moving on to Friday, at the top of Friday I marked being super tired with a girl from Fox and Cactus, and then I marked it still isolating with a house sticker from the GP Studio. I marked a YouTube binge with a laptop sticker from Fox and Cactus and a YouTube binge script from Randy.plans. I marked binge watching some Bones with a TV icon from Kylie Plans. I marked making some breakfast with a tea cup icon from the foil bundle. I marked doing my assignment with a girl from Stuck in You Designs and an assignment script from what's it called? I forgot what it's called. Sorry that you can't see. Hopefully I realise and move the camera down, move my planner down, should I say. But this script is from the GP Studio. Okay, yeah, I did move it. Into the extender, I used a movie marquee to mark binge watching some Plan With Me. So I used a planner sticker from, or a planning sticker from Fox and Cactus and a time to binge script from Olive Studio. Then marked taking out my hair with a Once More With Love hairdresser sticker. And then I marked washing my hair, which I used a Chicory Girl Shop Wash Your Hair sticker with a like a bow divider from the kit and just layered on top since the script was already on the sticker. I tend to do that with PaperCandyArt kit, and I usually need the extra boxes, and as you can see I had to cut up bill due to thick because I was running out of black boxes. On to Saturday, I marked sleeping in with a couch sticker from the kit and a sleeping script which is from Adorably Amy Designs. I don't know if I put in before or after. I use a house sticker to mark finally being out of isolation and going to my mum's house. Then marked blow drying my hair with a blow dry sticker from the foil bundle. I marked braiding my hair with the Sweet Kawaii Design hairdresser sticker. Then marked a Bones binge with a TV sticker from Planner Face. I marked a YouTube binge with a couple sticker from PaperCandyArt with like couples both on the like devices, and a YouTube binge script from Randy.plans. We were actually watching it together, but usually we're watching YouTube and doing stuff on the iPad, so I thought this was accurate. And then marked doing more baby stuff with a baby girl sticker from Kylie Plans. On to Sunday, I marked my husband having a driving lesson with a car icon from the foil bundle, and then marked having some family time with like a excited girl sticker from Paper Shy and a family time script from Planner Face. I used another Planner Face TV to make watching some more Bones. Never finished it, I don't know why, I forgot. Then I used a laptop sticker from SBC to not do my essay. At the bottom half of the day, I use like a breakfast sandwich sticker from SPC to note that I went to go and collect food because my auntie had made some for me. The perks of being pregnant, everybody wants to cook for you. I then used this Swap and Clipped petrol sticker to note gain some petrol. And I used this Whimsical Cat Studio Sleeping Gal to note that I went to bed quite early that day. So that was this week. I really enjoyed colour blocking this week, and as you can see for the rest of the spreads, and it continues. But because I changed my sticker organisation, it made it much easier to colour block, and I have a lot more Carly Plan stickers, so that usually helps with the colour blocking situation. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my first official colour blocking spread. I think I did one like whole pink spread before, but I never did a colour blocking spread where each colour was a different colour. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, so I'll see you in the next video. Obviously I'm going to show you guys like a wiggle and what's left of the kit in a second, but yeah, I will leave you to see that. Take care.